Hey, it's your boy Chucky Chip Tech on deck. Today I'm breaking down how to project your screen on a Dell G15 running Ubuntu. If you've been struggling to connect to an external monitor, don't sweat it, I got you. And for more dope tech insights, hit up YouTube, Nelson's Wireless. Let's go! Alright, step 1, let's hook up that external display. Grab an HDMI cable or a USB-C to HDMI adapter if needed. Make sure your monitor or TV is powered on and double check that the input source is set to HDMI. No signal. Try switching ports or using a different cable. Keep it simple, keep it smooth. Now that we're connected, let's make sure Ubuntu recognizes the display. Head over to Settings and click on Displays. If your second screen doesn't pop up, smash that Detect Displays button like it owes you money. Still nothing? Restart your machine and check your cables. It's all about patience and persistence. Alright, we're detected. Now let's fine-tune this setup. Under Settings Displays, choose how you want the screens to behave. You got options. Join Displays extends your workspace like having two monitors. Mirror clones your main screen onto the second display. Single display switches fully to the external monitor. Pick what works for you and apply the changes. Boom! You're golden. Who loves a good shortcut? Super key, aka the Windows key plus P, is your best friend. This toggles between different display modes fast. No need to dive into settings every time. Test it out, switch it up, and find your flow. Now, for my power users who like to get under the hood, welcome to Xrandr. If your external monitor isn't playing nice, pop open a terminal with Ctrl plus Alt plus T and type bash, copy edit, Xrandr. This lists all detected screens. If your monitor is there but still not displaying, run bash, copy edit, Xrandr output HDMI 1 auto, replace HDMI 1 with the correct display name. Boom! Your display should now be up and running. And there you have it, your Dell G15 is now projecting like a champ. If you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself, share the love. And for more fire tech tips, hit up YouTube, Nelson's Wireless. This is Chucky Chip Tech on deck, signing off. Stay awesome from the Sobriety Crew.